Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how we're going to remove and replace the bumper cover on a Suzuki SX4 sedan. Same procedure from 06 until 2014. So stay with us, don't forget to subscribe, guys. We have a new video every day on our channel. So you need to open the trunk, and right there in the corner there is one bolt with a 10mm socket that you need to remove. Okay, as you can see, this one right here, and we have the same bolt on this side as well. So these two bolts come out first. Now you need to go under the vehicle, and right there, okay, there is two bolts with 10mm socket, as you can see. Then you need to go to the passenger side, and right here behind the wheel, okay, there is one clip on the bottom, right there, and you need to remove this one. They often break because they're stuck there with mud and dirt. And alright, this one didn't break right here. That's how it works. When it's closed, you need to get a screwdriver in and push the middle part out. We have one more on top like that right here, and some of them will break. This one just flies off. And now right here we have one screw that we need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver that holds the bumper to the body, and just take it off all the way, completely out of there. It's not a long screw. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, now on the driver's side it's the same procedure, guys. You need to remove that clip right here. You need to remove the screw that is right here with the Phillips screwdriver. Absolutely the same, and the one that's on the bottom right there. So the same procedure like the passenger side. Okay, now you need to grab right there and just pull to come out of the clips. It has many clips holding it, and a few under the tail light as well. So you need to grab and pull to the back and up. Okay, this side is done. And now what we have is just this side right here. And that's how you remove it, guys. And the whole bumper comes right out of there, as you can see. Pretty simple. It shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to... Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.